Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change language in Rec Room for your mobile device. Whether you just install the app or want to play in your preferred language, this step-by-step video will help you do it safely and easily. First, open up Rec Room on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. If you're using VR console or mobile, the steps are usually the same, but this video will show it on mobile for example purpose. From the main menu, go ahead and tap on the watch icon at the top left corner. This will open up the game settings. From the game settings menu, tap on experience and under experience, go ahead and scroll to language. Tap the drop down right next to the language option and select a different language you want to change to from the list. Scroll through the list and select your preferred language. After you select it, Rec Room will usually restart or refresh the menu in the new language. Click on the Switch Now or Switch on Next login button, and once you switch to a different language, you'll need to log in again to your account. And that's how you can easily change your language setting in Rec Room. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.